The eagle then looked up to the sky. He could see the birds flying up high. "Oh, is that the best you can do? This will be easy. I'll fly much higher than you." But just as the eagle was about to take flight and prove to all that he was right, he noticed the sparrow from the corner of his eye as she was letting out a gloomy little sigh. "My, oh my." And then, with a sudden start, an idea flew into the eagle's heart. "My dear little sparrow, no need to mope. I have a plan, so don't give up hope."
"Look how high I can go! I've flown the highest!"
cried the crow.
"Sorry, but that is not true. See, I've passed you."
"Neither of you have won. This competition is not yet done. Look and see who has flown high above the rest. Our little friend is clearly the best."
Yahoo! Wow! Look at him go!
cried the crow. "Whoa, he's amazing!" the stork called out. "He is the winner without a doubt." Although the eagle wanted to be number one, he now felt happy with what he had done. Yes, the joy of helping another is a prize far better than any other.